You liking it, Kiran?
Yeah! Yes, this is really awesome. I never expected that this would come, and more of improvising and so many things that we have done right now, and it really looks great.
I'm sure it's not audible properly, but then now we are on our way to go buy some pallets. So the pallet store is just near our house. So this is the place where we get pallets. So this is how it looks from the outside. So we'll go select some pallets, which is best for us. Not this one, there are fresh ones inside. I climbed a little bit up. You see this pallets here? Never seen so many pallets in one place. Three.
But you need too much of polishing for that, right?
We didn't get here what we wanted, the size and what we wanted. Even though having pile up of pallets in this place, we didn't find what we were looking for. But in that small area where we saw first, we had finalized around 8 pieces, and there are 4 more other pieces that we wanted. We'll go and take from there, maybe, hopefully. We'll not return empty-handed from there. Yeah. See you. We are going now to see there and then book a tempo so that I can deliver it to our house. See you there at the tempo. So we have got all the pallets here, almost around 8 pallets. So last week you have seen that we had done a pallet bed. This week it's going to be easy one. So this is going to be a pallet sofa. So now we are going to design. You can see so many pallets we have right now, and now we are going to start pallet sofa. I hope it's going to be good, made better than the last video that we had done. And this time it's going to be. Last time we had a very bad one. It was not looking really great. This time we have got a very nice one. We don't have to do a lot of sanding on this. Let's see how it starts. We'll show you the process in a time-lapse video, and then we'll show you a simple process, in a video by video. So this is what we have come up now. We wanted to cut this part here. We wanted to cut this part and this part as well. But then now we have come up with seems a little bit brilliant idea. So we have steps here. We have steps here to climb on top. Maybe we can sit here. This is like a seating area, and this is like a 6 feet, exactly 6 feet sleeping area, and that is also sitting area. And this part we will have extra area just to climb like a step, or we can keep some pots as well. So that will look beautiful with the pots. Now the only constraint is the space. So now we have asked Kiran's brother to measure the exact space and let us know. And also we have put this backrest, headrest. We have put this. We don't have exactly idea how to implement this particular part, because this needs a lot of strength and we need to put a lot of screws as well. So you are ready to decide on this. Maybe this will be the last part. Not getting many ideas what to do. What can we do, Kiran, with this space? Are you going to put some carpet?
Yeah, I was thinking of putting like something like a green carpet that we get in the market, which is for cheap price online. So we can cut in this shape, and probably we can make it something like a flowy kind of like a green grass, which would actually match with the color of the wood also, and it will brighten up the light. So
yeah, definitely we can go with that. We'll try with the green grass also. We are progressively ideating, sitting simply until the measurements come from the house measurements. So yeah, that's a really good idea. We can try.
Right?
Let's try.
Yeah.
Let's try. What is there in that? We always try new stuff. Let's try. Ta-da! Now this is like the almost finishing look. This is how it is going to look. I'm really excited. So, almost done. We're done sanding everything. Now the next process is polish and assemble. And we've already got the cushions for it. Now once it is done, we're done for the day. Maybe tomorrow it will be done. The video will be continuing for 2 days. And once it is done, we'll show you the outside as well. Hope you like it. Thank you. As usual, I've kept it for drying overnight after spraying the polish. The polish has come out really well. I've done a double coat which I could not show in the video. You can see the texture of this wood was not visible earlier, but then now it looks like a really expensive wood, something like a mango wood or a sisham wood. This has a texture of a sisham wood. You can see. I'm just really eager to see how it looks after we arrange the entire sofa, and I'm really eager to see the outcome of how it looks. But before that, finally day. You can see the shine in the wood. Really good, come out really well, and yeah, really well. Now we are fine. Now we'll go arrange and then see how it looks. Let's go. So finally we are done with the sofa. This is how it looks. This is the outcome. So this is the last minute preparation, last minute ideas of putting this grass and the light settings that we have. Maybe light, if it is not good, we might remove, but this is the final output of the pallet sofa. You liking it, Kiran?
Yeah! Yes, this is really awesome. I never expected that this would come, and more of improvising and so many things that we have done right now, and it really looks great. So I'm really happy about it. Thanks, Bob. Cheers.
The main idea of this sofa, having this much 8 feet length, was that Kiran had a requirement of a bed for his guests sometime, as well as a sofa, very open sofa. So just sleep and show Kiran once.
This is the lengthiest
yeah,
bed
it's a
ever.
full-fledged, longest bed, 8 feet bed. He's got a single twin bed, and another person also can sleep here if there are some guests. And yeah, let's see. That's how you can sleep. 2-person on this bed, and you can have a nice TV time as well. This is the seating area. So this was a last minute plan. Sit here again once. This is the seating area. Many people can sit there and watch match, and this is the seating area. Very comfortable armrest and then seating area. And this area we will have a pot, and that also we will put in this video. So we are done, and this is completely done. If there is any updates about any other future update enhancement, we'll just put it on Instagram or Facebook, just the photos. For now, thanks for watching.
Cheers! See you again.